Netflix undercuts its basic plan with a cheaper mobile plus offer. This is on Android Police. I saw this headline and I was like, oh, cool, I can save a few bucks on Netflix. That's what I was thinking to myself. Then I go down and I read a little bit more and I realize that we're talking about the Indian streaming market, which is where you can get Netflix for like $3. And it's very disturbing and it makes me feel terrible to know what I'm paying for Netflix comparatively. But it's important to note that for that market, the $2.7 equivalent or the $3 Netflix subscription, it had some pretty strict limitations, including the fact you had to watch in SD. And what are we? SD? I don't even know what SD means anymore in 2020. So yeah, that's standard definition, by the way. So it was fairly limited. So they come up with this new tier, which is going to be $4.7 USD equivalent, called Mobile Plus, and that will give you HD on the mobile. To me, it's still a tremendous value. Now, granted, the content inventory is going to be different in India than what it is here, and Netflix operating costs, and we can't do a one-to-one comparison. But this now gives that market $4.7 USD equivalent for the Mobile Plus, which is HD playback on phones, tablets, and computers. It only leaves out your TV set. The basic tier is the SD resolution thing, and that's the cheapest possible. And then if you want to step up to, I guess, what they call standard, which adds the TV piece, then I don't think a lot of people should go for that now.
No, this is the best. This is the most popular option.
You can watch everywhere but the TV.
Yeah.
And it's almost half the price when compared to the standard subscription. Now, granted, the standard subscription there lets you have multiple devices at a time. So you can share that with a family member reasonably. But either way, this is very depressing for people in other parts of the world that spend tremendous amounts of money on Netflix. In India, you get a choice between a $3, a $5, and a $7 subscription.
They're living life.
They're living the high life over there. Value for money. It's incredible, but then there's a new tier to choose from. There's a little piece here as well that states that the Mobile Plus selection may spread to other places, including Indonesia and Malaysia. So the rest of the world getting lots of love. Us here in North America, me in Canada, I think I'm paying $17 or something.
For the family plan.
For one of those Netflix plans at the moment. So, and I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying, you see stuff like this. Because it's different. Because I was trying to explain to you, the market, the cost of doing business in that market, there's many, many factors that go into this.